This is going to be a quick how-to on how to change your company page settings or using the new ownership filter we have. So this is just the homepage of SupplySide 365 on a mobile app. This is an iPhone, but it'll look very similar on an Android device. So the first thing you want to do is go to the right-hand corner, click on that. You're going to scroll down to Exhibitor Center, click on that. There's a few different brands here as I'm an admin on a few things within SupplySide 365, but find your brand or your company on here if you have multiple ones and click on what you want. You'll see three different dashes on the top left-hand corner. Click on that. Click Company Profile. And this is your main company page. Pretty much all of these fields are editable by you as the admin. So where it says information, click the edit button. You can see you have quite a few options here. This new filter that we want to highlight is called the ownership filter. You can see here you have lots of different options. You can click as many as apply to your company. Simply add it, and you can see we have a few different options that will show up, and this automatically saves. So it will be implemented once you click out of this. If there's an ownership category that you feel is missing, please let a member of our team know, and we can definitely look at getting that added for you. Thank you.